Here we're going to talk about the power rule. What the power rule does is it takes something that has an exponent, like x squared, and it raises it to a power. So what x squared to the fifth power means is that you're multiplying x squared by itself 5 times. And if you think of that, x squared is just x times x. So all of these x's are being multiplied together. And in total, if you count them out, you'll see that there are 10 x's being multiplied together. So x squared to the fifth power equals x to the 10th. Now, instead of writing all of that out and expanding it and counting how many x's there are total, you can see that there is a shortcut to do this, and that is to just multiply these together. So the power rule is just x to the a times b. In this case over here, what you're going to do is we're going to do that for the m. So 7 times 4 is 28. And then also the n. 4 times 4 is 16. Let's try a couple more. Here, if we have a coefficient, we want to make sure we raise that to the power. It's as if we're distributing this power that is outside of the parentheses. So 5 squared is 25. And then x to the 7 squared is x to the 14th. Or in this case here, 2 to the fifth power is, goodness, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I'm going to need to put that in my calculator. See, that's 32. And then y squared to the fifth power. I multiply those together. And, oops, that's an x. And then y to just the fifth power. Okay? Let's do one more. This one, we have some negative numbers. So just to be clear, this is saying -2 squared. I put that in parentheses because you want to make sure that you're taking -2 times -2, which is 4. And then I have p to the 4th squared, which is p. 4 times 2 is 8. And then I have q to the 6th squared, which 6 times 2 is 12.